Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to set exact location on Google Maps on Android. So click on Google Maps, and for example I'm just going to type in right here, and you can save this place, add label, and say you can set your custom name as such as home or work or whatever you want. For your kind information, if you want to save this, only you will able to see this in your Google Maps. Other people won't see it. If you want to add a place where other people will able to see it, just go back, click on the cross. In the bottom you will find a contribute. Just click on it, and here you will find add place. Just click on it, add place. And as you can see, there are a few options, such as the name of the place that you want to save, such as home, what type of category you want, whether it's a food, shopping, service, religion, office, residential. Select residential, housing complex, put down the desired address. You can edit on this as it the exact location, and you can, after completing all the information, then click the submit, and Google will review it, and if the all information are correct, Google will publish it, and other people including you will able to see the place that you have saved. Hope you like this video. Hit that like button and subscribe. If you have any questions, please write down in the comment section. Hope to see you all in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you.